Think of it this way. The pressure in some parts of America to reopen now is so great that in Southern California today, they demonstrated to try to force the beach open immediately, even though it's now scheduled to reopen tomorrow.
Open the beaches. This is crazy. This is our right.
In some states, the reopening is already underway. Georgia, for example, in the face of experts who insist it's too soon and risks a COVID-19 spike. Still, even New York is now thinking about it, maybe for mid-May, if the state's recent decline in new cases continues.
Phase 1 of reopening will involve construction and manufacturing activities. And within construction and manufacturing, those businesses that have a low risk.
Donald Trump, meanwhile, was relatively quiet this weekend. There were no briefings as he was being pilloried for his comments on the coronavirus broadly. Last night, Brad Pitt as Anthony Fauci interpreting the president.
When he said everyone can get a test, what he meant was almost no one.
And even though Trump walked back his suggestion last week that toxic disinfectant might help kill the virus in humans, calls to poison centers this weekend seeking clarity spiked. One of his senior advisors on coronavirus today suggested it's time to focus on fresh developments, not disinfectant.
I think I've made it clear that this was amusing as you described, but I want us to move on to be able to get information to the American people that can help them protect each other.
As for those briefings, there's some suggestion now in the fallout from the disinfectant comment that Trump himself may no longer take part in them. As he tweeted this weekend, "Not worth the time and effort." Paul Hunter, CBC News, Washington.